Moving to US, it's been like an amazing experience because I learned that people, if they go through any difficult time or anything unusual, they end up, starting a foundation, they help, they give to community. Like here in Miami, there's so many people in this town and in the country that they give back. I definitely got very inspired, and as I was being asked to be part of an organization to help, and I saw the results of my art turning to something, helping people that I don't necessarily know, or people who live somewhere in the world. And it was such a great feeling early days, here in Miami, to know that I could turn, a piece of art and helping somebody.